Bless you, bless you, bless you. In the end, God wants to expose a very false pastor. Inti we read Matthew chapter 24, verse 11. Or say, and many false prophets.
Ababa webi swa pieso yo di fo ba. Obubo mi din. Meshala mesre. Na so what dey kekambra. Kekambra. So woni papa. Woni abusua. Woni nteteye. Aya bose dine no. Na kekako. My trouble, you mess it up. What will you say?
She too much just when you go to our shaman. I was so. Ego so we team and check as ye pine come on, baby Biara. Or her Miss Habry. And someone abeto ya puno no Ghana for one dream woman. A son say a tea, Nanka prophet Adom Chedia. The prophet of God will cast some 200 more. And Kyie some fighter to the man for Kyie. Breaking crying up, boom, not as a yen juma, and when you pebinum abrabum. Then so samba kumi no be ababeto Ghana for a yen and chess sign be our papa afa. Nina say, or him away a jab abontain. Now somewhere they were too jar and on Ghana for whom they say, hey, as someone walking dear come here say, any Evangelist Eunice, not some no ya pe. Or him away a jar and some more Kyie and say, ya Kwaadɛɛ yare or yare yellow. And my Ghana phone can send a bush for a woman there be. Nema mititi Kwaadɛɛ mammy any abre. I was swallow waka wapa sadia manibano. A son say, Besham wa Kwaadɛɛ, apoya busian and yam, nutino. One ye be as one betting me my branch and one tunnel. Na some we are your him away a Kyie, and a Ghana for say, ready to cheer so. Nesem Nimunchi Muni was say, Kwaadɛɛ busian for the Kwaadɛɛ copia mu. Our prophet Adom Chedia as ye. Na one ye be a Kwaadɛɛ went to me Antono. Gentia mamma de Kwaadɛɛ ko and say, well, you'll be up a prophet Adom Chedia sempa. And meeting your man a banner sweating copy or one. Nance wo ye be a Aquena mamma branting one tono, almost had an ebe fee. And send me but to happen a Ghana for say, Evangelist Eunice was somehow okay, a yard of credit. Obe show me no beat ye, Miss Abray, Evangelist Eunice as somehow Kyie. Why to me and ye be empty? Emma ya much so, ye jebre, near Cotian some Evangelist Eunice Kyie. Ye we are near do him away a gems was some more kind. At was ye we are Tanasi, near Shessa, one woman some, a cobble crew, and a fanifa. Young have you.
Obian to me more from 4 Kwaadɛɛ. Regardless, say, be no more to an among in the past, OM or Henny John. A ni obey other artists around the time FY or for Kwaadɛɛ bounce back. Or call ye Kenya Benin Muhammad T. I play very key role. But then you know about a boy will be good name make so it be like them are not want to for fraud. When it comes to say Obi Eba Kwaadɛɛ who say over the Buana. Woman no our perception say Obi Oba Kwaadɛɛ also the Buana no our interest so the Nebane by the discuss. And so far no Hama you be ananka or the perfect person for Okunfo Kwaadɛɛ because or the bottom seeker a house you know a keeping no at a point of man some cute car or you see or cover and all that. There'll be a special studio so the be a guy in interest by music. Now you're in practice or recordings are recently or the past 2 years, maybe 4 years ago, you made many KG in a year one song around the time. You see, Hama was very okay. But the mother has a problem, say, the Kwaadɛɛ is stable. The next thing they say, Obeyenyum, and the woman doesn't want the son to do music. And see, Emma all the time, no, only Hama in the issue. As we speak, now, Okunfo Kwaadɛɛ, any mammy, any work, ni fee or Kwaadɛɛ fee. The DSC, I'm a mammy to a fee honor. At the same time, not answer over to no. Or yeah, then Kasaya or the child so regards to hammer in between time no oba now best for the Kwaadɛɛ kakra krano. Eh say or Ponamano and because of that Kasa me po be the moja and ba. Now say me Ponama or no also so say hammer this is bad yeah and the Ponama the enemy ma ho kra. It is a Kwaadɛɛ no oni obi ansem. Last year an issue no ba no. Ne papa ne Kasa yemfa na mra ho. Na onye de ono so betumi aye ne fam enti hama arrangement me de Kwaadɛɛ call north na ne papa na ehwe ne mamu aboa no emu na papa no fam wuye ere na ma sa osan kwa bonten sa oba viral among for bloggers be here fast call strem ho ko twitwa terrible videos o sa de ne ba bonten that time no enti ma me no me ne kasa all the time enti omo ye ntihye apani that time no one north no na nka one me kasa Nanka meji say benya rehab. Nanka me anka sakwa ma jedinemo. Ama wa baka. The woman seems to be very comfortable with me because what me ye oba kan intimate ma se wo nia ma bi ho. Enti no ye san ti say no but emu na me bi tu kwan. E ko dile kaka me wo ho no na ole me kasa. Enti omo be du kuma ase no. O ye ti say nka me wo gan at the time na ka me mra kuma ase. Na me ne wo no ne hama and the balance na ase. Then we go on a like proper terms. That we know who is doing what. And a woman also so near one pet, they send a banner by Yenyum. It was a say by a ban who beton of Penton, but do master, then call Adom to her. So mobile Kumasi and Pano, they not Adom to her. But the way I will not say, so they not Adom to her on a ban who beton with the other final. Almost, you know, our man, yes, sir. The guy, we are all seeing what is happening. And now, Kwaadɛɛ reacted in a way, seems like on one of the mameno, they are not on the same page. Instead that, enya dane mameno, they kind of cry. It's Omanisha. So, the same mameno is worth with you. Aka Kwaadɛɛ. Hama for say, ne mame poor man they are also. So now there is nobody. Apparently, even the Nura and answer. Information came say some unknown team about the picket Kwaadɛɛ to a center. Parents no, the mother is not aware, and apparently many hamakasa.
Bless you. Entiende, God wants to expose a very false pastor. Inti we read Matthew chapter 24, verse 11. Or say, and many false prophets shall rise and shall deceive many, and because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. I am here today as a messenger of the Most High God. I am here to tell you today that Evangelist Eunice is not using the Spirit of God. Or the adrenkesiye nenam. I am a victim of his lies. Na me kona sorry. And as you say, maybe no. Evangelist Eunice is not using the Spirit of God. He's a false prophet. Or say, Matthew chapter 24, verse 11. And many false prophets shall rise and shall deceive many. Evangelist Eunice has deceived a lot of people. And yet some ketwa, all in the name of holiness. Or the holiness abatane ho ena odi dibod odi pesca. Wo ba ye first, wo say Yankopon na ma won say men yes kasem. But he say wo yes kasem. Wo bo mpa mpa na da TV screen say sow a seed. Wo ba ye na ye use sure. Ma ye use sure. Ye use natural anchor. I am a thick person me muye drum. Evangelist Eunice ama men use sure. Na me use a lime. Maybe na ma mutium kan because Eunice and a Kyie. I used to attend his church, 2 tap. Na me call 2 tap. And as he say me jai. Yankopon na ma me jai because on free Yankopon. Evangelist Eunice is not using the Spirit of God. I am telling you today as a true prophetess of God. On to me nyame hwe maka. Yankopon na say me bekanti maka. No, catch and comfort. Some moon you see sure, but who you see Dove sure. Oh sorry, I was think of phone fee abroche embet na Ghana. And yes, I rapture moon kobi. Now wo yiri nyema. Now I call abroche on. Wo yiri nyema. Now I call abroche. First now say un nim card un suya card chi and them say one pack car. So she see I would the car mo. Cause she sem I drink a sear and I would be beating and go pomba Eddie Pesca. You started with these interviews, heaven and hell interviews, and I would in a crowd, and I would tear sorry, and I was statistic sem. Evangelist will see ya miss me in country say Sachra. What dada ya member do? I'll end my message here. When I have another word for the Lord, I'll let you know. Bim. Now, okay, say TikTok put there. We don't have to come on TikTok, but you are on TikTok now. You are on TikTok now. Omonkofwe Jaya warrior evangelist will see. Wow, dada impa odi adrink kese e beating crofo. Yeah. Oh sorry, I will say. Yankopon catch you say. Man won yesikasem. So she say we yesikasem. We will command the morning na. Now the number 2 will say we should sow a seed. Fake man of God. I am telling you today as a true prophetess of God. Me na me call 2tab. I was in his church. Evangelist Ewusi is not a man of God or a fake. He's a fake man of God. He's not using the spirit of God. Obon some home na or the year juma. Obon some home na evangelist Ewusi at the year juma. Maka untumi nyame hwe because God is on my side. As some way maybe channel me bisa Yankopon permission 3 times and also menche. So that we gunkofo awarie. We gunkofo awarie. Oh sorry wo na obeka say ye shatare, yen shatare kakraka. Wo wie so na wa besesa wano. Holiness is the way, but evangelist Ewusi is not using the spirit of God or the not drain and the holiness. When who say nimpa do erade. Inti or the not drain a beating crofo onim Bible nimu. Me sure so Bible school. Or the not drain and a yamiasem onim Bible nimu nti no the yamiasem e bata ho no the beating yango pomba. Oh say now one person will be driving cause car put there. But you see I would the car we have videos for car. Oh think of people should come home, but you still have your passports. Oh you man no I call you abroach raba. Evangelist will see your time is almost up. That now that day I remember what I drink a siena would be beating a member no time aso. And one na Yankopon se men kanche. We call evangelist Ewusi sorry Jai. We be call bonsam gem because he's not using the spirit of God. Yankopon nimpa do erade and no way taking advantage and he knows the Bible. Once I'm catch so bonsam onim Bible mu pa. And no onim Bible nimu no the adrinkese bata no the yes kasem when he started and the Yankopon se me shares mu was kasem hu say akohwisam nko a so sisi a wo yes kasem etumi ka say you are now one of the richest people in Ghana. Koshini evangelist Ewusi Yankopon be tua oka dada wa dada nkrofo agi omusika di Yankopon be tua oka evangelist Ewusi Yankopon be tua oka wa dada ya member agigi omusika egu nkrofo aware wama nkrofo efia brochure omu ni krata omu ni papers but omu efia brochure aba because you told them say omu ambaga na omu nko heaven dada ya member. Evangelist Ewusi, I, Eunice Adjoando, a true prophetess of God. Dada wa dada nyameba no, midina nyame asem so, and I curse you with all the curses in the Bible. Leprosy, death, blindness, every curse in the Bible. I, Eunice Adwa Ando, a true prophetess of the Most High God, I am Afremi Ereyembri. I curse you and your family with all the curses in the Bible. I curse you in the name of the Lord. Because of you, a lot of marriages. Ngofwe ja omejuma omu ni kratai. Wosi omu mbagana enu na omu de beko heaven. Into omu ja ejuma omu krata. Omu ni krata wuka ye nti omu ja ye ebaye. Now the adrinkese na ebiti nipa. What the adrinkese na ebiti nipa? I curse you in the name of the Lord, and I curse you with all the curses in the Bible. What the Yankupon di ato, you know you are fake. You are not using the Spirit of God. Now what the Yankupon di ato also. Now what the deep one? What sorry? Now we be now. Now what for Bible asemu? Now what can't say now? You are using the Spirit of God. Ose me bo me bantam na mikita ma coach ma ketua. You are always preaching, but you don't practice what you preach. Oh sorry, I will say obi anfi abrochire mbra Ghana. Wo abrocha rapture unkobi. O say nkofo abrochire rapture omunkobi. But wo yiri nyima na wakọ wo abrochire. Ono de rapture eno de nka ho. Me the master embassy ha. Thank you. Adiasa. Nkoda. Thank you for having a listening ear to me. Unim na send this video to him.
Adishe video no eni akwohwe dia ba nipa yete ne ken. Eyo Evangelist Eunice ene wo hema uyeje. Ensem we ba ye na akwa ankoda odabi. Prophet Adom Chedua, the prophet of God, papa man homene so. Was say Ghana for munye yiye munhwe yiye. Abaye bia ba social media no so keka ne wonsam. Moni nye papa said he was sikasa. Yenti e papa so nsam a. Wodi ebe respond self for imi enumra ne ba. That's why you medie no beso.
Ababa we bi so pie so yo di fo aba. Obubo mi din. Me sha na mesre. Na so what the kekambra. Kekambra. So woni papa. Uni abusia. Uni nteteye. Aya bose dineno. Na kekako. My trouble. You mess it up. What will you say?
Ayakawo anoye din papa prophet Adom Chedua ade ne response abema eyesa afo imienu na nsemu a wo ka ne de mgidi yesa wuti bi mensumi atibi wo hye me na wutie mi a Philadelphia de hye wutie mi a mo nsore na akwanya bia no mo fo modwe nkyere no mra efo comment section no ase ni ebetena se ni adie mu kama ade ama aha ya too much so ebrema ya bia ha na ebrema akwan se ye fa yo komo ni nyina ensie di ameje so e ba ko peja so hima ye be se hye